Welcome back once again to Phoenix English classes. Today we are going to start the fourth poem from Hornbill that is prescribed in class 11 CBSE board. The poem is entitled Childhood and it is written by Marcus Nathan. Let's start with the poem. We will have a line by line interpretation. When did my childhood go? Was it the day I ceased to be 11? The poet asked himself, where did my childhood go? When he looks at himself, he finds himself no more the child he had been. And he says, where has my childhood gone? Was it the day when I ceased to be 11? Perhaps it was the day when I completed my 11th year in this world. As soon as I was 12, I became a teen. I was going to be a teen and my childhood was gone. Was it the time I realized that the hell and heaven could not be found in geography? Or perhaps it was the day when I became so wise that I could understand the stories we listened in our childhood and we believed that there is hell, there is heaven. But I became 12 or 13 years old. I started studying seriously. I was given the subject geography to study, and in that I tried to find out on the map where is hell and heaven I had heard about in my childhood, and I found there is no hell, there is no heaven on this map. It means it does not exist in this world. As soon as I realized these things, that there is no hell, there is no heaven, and I have become selfish, I stopped fearing God. I stopped cherishing heaven. Perhaps that was the day my childhood was also gone, could not be found in geography, and therefore could not be. And because these hell and heaven are not the places in geography, means they are not present on the map we read in geography, they cannot be here in this world. And because we realize the truth that we call truth, we became the grown-ups. And I lost my childhood on that very day. Perhaps this was the day. Was that the day? The poet is confused. What was the exact time when he lost his childhood? Perhaps it may be the day when he completed his 11th year. It may be the day when he realized that hell and heaven are only the dreams, only the imaginations for the children. And because in natural sciences and geography there is no place for heaven or hell, it cannot be in existence. Perhaps that was the time when my childhood had gone forever. When did my childhood go? Finding no answer, the poet once again asked himself, where did my childhood go? Where has it gone? Was it the time I realized that adults were not all they seem to be? It may be the day on which I started realizing that the adult ones, the grown-up ones, have two faces. They are not really the people what they seem to be, what they pose themselves. When I came to know that all those good faces are not good at all at their heart, perhaps that was the day my childhood has gone. All this, they talked of love and preached of love. I understood when I started to know, when I started to realize that they talk of love, the grown-ups, the adult ones, they talk of love and preach of love, but did not act so lovingly. But in their own real life, they do not support love. They do not act lovingly. Perhaps that was the day. It may be the day when my childhood has taken leave of me and has gone and hidden itself somewhere. I could not understand where it has gone. Once again, in the third stanza, he asked the same question to himself. When did my childhood go? What was the time when it left me and has gone? Was it when I found my mind was really mine? Perhaps it may be the day when I started thinking that I have my own mind, I have my own thoughts to use whichever way I choose. And because I have my own thoughts, because I have my own mind, I could use my mind and thoughts in the way I wanted. I do not to be driven by others, I do not think about others, but I can think about myself because my thoughts are my own, and I can use my mind in whatever way I want to. Producing thoughts that were not those of other people, I started thinking that my mind is able, my mind is capable of thinking new thoughts. And these new thoughts were mine only, it was not of others. When I started thinking for myself, when I became selfish, when I started thinking that I will think only about myself, perhaps that was the day when my childhood has gone, but my own and mine alone. When I centralized myself into myself, and I never thought, I stopped thinking that I belong to others and they belong to me. Even in the thoughts, I became selfish enough to give any place to anybody. Was that the day? Perhaps that was the day when my childhood left me and gone somewhere. Where did my childhood go? Now, in the last stanza, he asks another question. The only word that has been changed is where. Where did my childhood go? It went to some forgotten place that's hidden in an infant's face. That's all I know. Finding no answer of when. Now, the poet changes his question. He asks, where? He asks himself, where did my childhood go? Where does it live? Where does it hide itself? Now he gets the answer. It went to some forgotten place. Sure, it has gone to some place and hidden itself. And I have forgotten the place. Because I put it somewhere. Because I left it somewhere. And I forgot. That's why I do not remember where does it lie. That's hidden in an infant's face. That's all I know. But I know only one thing. This childhood of mine is hidden behind the face of an infant. As soon as that infant face, that was my real face, it was disappeared, my childhood had also disappeared behind that face, and now I can find it no more. In first three stanzas, see, the first thing, in the first stanza, the poet thinks, he imagines, he guesses that childhood has gone because he thinks he has grown up. Now he is not a child anymore. Because he started studying and he started believing in natural sciences and geography. In the second stanza, he guesses that his childhood has gone because he became more wise. He comes to know about the reality of the adult, of the grown-ups, of the people who live around us. Because he started doubting them. He started looking at their true faces, and he started to differentiate between the actions and the wordings of the grown-up people. They are not the same. They all have two faces. As soon as he recognized it, the childhood was gone. And in the third stanza, he says that because I became a man of the world, I became egoistic, I became very selfish. That's why my childhood was taken away from me. But in the fourth stanza, he is sure that whenever it has gone, but it is lying still there where I put it and I forgot, it is sure behind that face of that infant that I used to be, and I am no more that infant. My face does not show that infant which had been my real face, my true face. Here ends the poem. For the difficult words and meanings, you can read the description. And for the textbook question and answer, you can follow the link that is given in description. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to support us, giving your valuable suggestions, as well as you can ask your doubts on my personal WhatsApp number or in the comment box.